Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See this problem, here how to find coefficient of correlation and regression lines for the given data. So the x data given and y data given, how to find the correlation coefficient, means how much they are correlated to each other and form the regression lines. So first of all we are going to find coefficient of correlation. In the first step, create a table like this. So write small x, small y data in the first two columns. So here a small x and here small y. Now write the corresponding values. It is 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 16. Next values is 33, 30, 28, 30, 20, 18, 16, 9. Now find sum of all x values, summation of small x values, and find sum of all y values. So it is equal to 70 and sum of all y values, that is equal to 154. Now observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 observations are there, that is n equal to 7. Now first of all find the mean for x data and y data, that is x bar mean of x, that is equal to sum of all values by total number of observations, thus be equal to 70 by 7, that equal to 10. Next, mean of y, that is y bar equal to summation of y by n, that's equal to 154 by 7, that's equal to 22. In next column take capital X, next capital Y. So what is capital X? Nothing but x minus x bar, means subtract mean from the x value, it gives capital X. Next subtract y mean from y value, we get capital Y value. Now fill the form here, two columns. So you get minus 5, next minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 6. So it is 5 minus 10 minus 5, 7 minus 10 minus 3, so like that. Next capital values, that is small y minus y bar, that is 11, 8, 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, 13, minus 13. In this column take capital XY, next capital X square, next capital Y square. Product these two columns with the corresponding elements, we get capital X values. So that is minus 55, minus 24, minus 12, 0, minus 4, minus 18. This is 6 into minus 13. So that's equal to minus 78. Next capital S square values, square of all the elements in the X column, capital S column. So it becomes 25, next 9, 4, 0, 1, 9, 36. Next capital Y square values, 121, 64, 36, 4, 16, 36, 169. Next step, find summation of capital X values and summation of capital X square and summation of capital Y square. Sum of all xy values in this column, it gives minus 191. Next sum of x square, sum of all these values, will get 84. Next summation of all y square values, it gives 446. Now we can easily find coefficient of correlation by using formula. Now recall the formula, that is R equal to summation of xy by root of summation of x square into root of summation of y square. That's equal to summation of xy, that is we got minus 191. So minus 191 upon root of summation of x square, that is 84 into root of 446. So by using calculator, by simplifying this, we will get R equal to minus 0.9868. So this is the required coefficient of correlation for the given problem. Next, how to find regression lines. So here we'll get two types of regression lines are there. So that is, so first of all I am write all the data. So this data is essential for finding the regression lines. I am writing again here. Now regression line, first of find the regression slope. Slope of a regression line of y on x. So another line is slope of regression line of x on y. So this is one equation, this is another equation. Here slope is for line equation of y on x, that is summation of xy by summation of x square. We use slope of this line. So that's equal to minus 191 by 84. It gives minus 2.2738. Now equation is line of equation, that is y minus y bar equal to slope is minus 2.2738 into x minus x bar. It gives line equation formula. Now substitute here. So y minus y bar is slope, that is mean of y data, that is 22, equal to minus 2.2738 into x minus x mean, that is 10. So by simplifying the equation, we will get y equal to minus 2.2738x plus 44.738. So this is the one line equation, one regression line. Now find another regression line. The slope is summation of xy by summation of y square. So here equation of line y on x, that's why I am taking here summation of x square. Now here y square, because on y means we will get equation of x in terms of y. Now find the slope here. Use slope summation of xy is minus 191 by summation of y square 446. It gives slope minus 0.4283. Next write line equation, that is y minus y bar, so this is equation of line x in terms of y we get. So x minus x bar equal to slope into slope is minus 0.4283 into y minus y bar. Now substitute here. So x minus x bar mean is x mean is 10 equal to minus 0.4283 into y minus y bar is 22. By simplifying this we get x equal to minus 0.4283 y plus 19.4226. So this is one equation, this is another equation. These two lines are regression lines for the given data. This is the process of simplification for getting coefficient of correlation and regression lines for the given data. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.